The next question here is, what is the meaning of IVF treatment, ma'am? So Kalyan Garu, IVF means in vitro fertilization. So IVF means usually what happens naturally after the egg is released, the sperm goes and catches the eggs in the fallopian tube, and fertilization will happen and embryo formation will happen, and this embryo comes into the uterus. But what is IVF? Is in vitro fertilization where somebody who's having problem in all this process. Say somebody is having a very less sperm count where the sperm is not able to go and catch the egg in the tube, or somebody who's having, they're not ovulating, the egg is not releasing from the ovary, she's having all anovulatory cycles where the egg is not ovulating, or somebody is having bilateral tubal block, both the sides tubes are blocked and the sperm and egg are not able to meet naturally, or somebody who's having very less egg counts of ovary egg egg release and జరగట్లేదు, then what can we do in such cases? IVF comes into a process where it is called as in vitro fertilization, where we take the egg, we grow the egg, and we retrieve the egg out. We take the egg out from the ovary, and in the lab, we put the sperm into the egg. That is called as ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. So we combine the egg and sperm outside in the lab. Say the egg sperm numbers are very less, where naturally the sperm is not going and catching the egg. In such situations, what we do, we put the sperm into the egg outside in the lab. We create an embryo, that is, we culture that in the incubator till it grows into day 5 embryo. The same process happens in the tube, fallopian tube naturally. So when it is not happening naturally, we do it outside in the lab in the incubator, and once the embryo is prepared on day 5, then we take this embryo and we put it into the uterus. So this is called as in vitro fertilization, where outside we fertilize the egg and sperm, create an embryo, and then we transfer the embryo into the uterus.
For more information and updates, subscribe to Oasis Fertility. Hit the bell icon for future notifications.